Okay guys, what do you think? What do you think about this wig? I have high hopes for this. Okay, it's pretty. This just looks like a normal body wave. Oh, I like it. It's very long. It's like, I want to say 32 inches maybe. I really do not like cutting lace on my head because you cannot, for one, you can't really see, because especially I'm not looking in a mirror, and for two, I don't want to cut into the hairline. I don't want to cut my hair off underneath. It's just a really risky situation trying to cut lace on your head, unless it was like a closure. I don't recommend this, but I already started, so let me hurry up and finish. I'm doing a terrible job. I need to get an eyebrow razor or something. I think that's what I need to go get. Because this is not... Y'all, what is this? What is this? I need to stick to what I know and stop trying to do all this new stuff, because I don't know what the hell. Now I'm just gonna add some powder. Okay. I feel like it needs layers though. I like that it's kind of like a yaki texture. It's not like super silky. It gives me that thick fullness that virgin hair has. The yaki textured virgin hair wigs have. I like that about this. I like the color. They did a really good job on that. The length is perfect. I think this wig is kind of like a spring summer wig, but of course you can still wear this in the winter as well. I think it will be super, you know, dope in the winter as well. I love the peekaboo highlights for sure. I'm gonna cut some layers in it. I feel like, although it's super cute, I feel like layers will make it look better on my face. I also like the fit of this wig. I love the fact that although I have dreadlocks underneath here, the wig is laying flat on my head. I didn't have to do much manipulation to it at all. I didn't have to do any manipulation. I didn't have I really like this one. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite wig that I have done today. I did like 3 wigs today, and this is my favorite one. I saved the best for last. What do you think about this wig? Let me know in the comment section.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.